C# provides nullable value types to allow value types to represent an additional null value. You can declare a nullable type by appending a question mark to the value type. For example, question mark can hold an integer or null. Nullable types can help manage scenarios where a value may not exist, such as dealing with database entries. To safely access the underlying value of a nullable variable, always check the hasValue property first to confirm it has a value, and then use the value property to retrieve that underlying value, ensuring you avoid exceptions. The null coalescing operator allows you to specify a default value if a nullable type is null. Nullable types support arithmetic operations, which will result in a nullable type. If one of the operands is null, the operation will also yield null. Using nullable value types improves code clarity and safety when handling optional values.